Hey everyone, today we're diving into how to break down this rational expression into partial fractions. We're given a rational expression with a quadratic numerator and a denominator that's already factored. Now, we can jump straight into partial fraction decomposition. Here's what the decomposition looks like. We separate the denominator to each parts. Then the numerator will be one less degree from the denominator. For the quadratic or more denominator, don't forget the numerator is one less degree until constant. Now our job is to find a, b, and c value. Hence, we only care the numerator, since the denominator will be equals already. The numerator will be equals to this. Now I will use case-by-case approach. Let's try when x equals 1. Why choose x equals 1? Because it will make bx plus c times 0. And it will make the equation only has a variable. With simple calculation, we will get a variable value. A is equals 3. Now let's try when x equals 0. Why? Because it will make the equation only has a and c variables. We already got a values, so we can get c values. C equals -4. Now we want b variable. We want x is equal something that won't make b variable disappears and not so big to calculate. I will choose x equals -1. We have already got a and c values, so this is just simple calculation to get b values. By the way, other way to solve this problem is by matching the coefficients from both sides of the equation. Let it be your homework and tell me in the comment. B equals to 2. And there we solve this problem. If this video helped you learn, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might find it helpful too. See you in the next one.